up YouTube? It's your boy Ruben back with another video. And today we're gonna be installing a Mack off-road H-pipe for the long tube headers on the 2000 Mustang GT. So what you want to do first is you want to disconnect your battery cables so you won't get shocked, anything like that, to avoid all injuries. First thing you want to do. What you want to do second, YouTube, is you want to jack your car up, you know what I'm saying, get it nice and stable. And after that, you're going to want to connect your H-pipe to your long tube headers. Come on over here and get it. Come on over here and get it. Alright, so YouTube, what you want to do next is you want to put your bolts from your H-pipe into your long tube. The socket you're gonna need a 5/8, or you're gonna need a 16 millimeter. All you want to do is get it in there and tighten the bolt up. Sorry about the quality of the video. As you're installing it, you want to make sure that your pipe, you know what I'm saying, is all the way on. By the way, as you can see, as I was doing, making sure my pipe was all the way on. Make sure it's on properly. You know, now, nice and tight. You gotta be too tight, as you can see. You know, that nice and tight. On that nice and tight. On that nice and tight. As y'all can see, we got both sides started now. Now to get both sides started. Get both sides started. I'm gonna connect the back. Connect the back too. And now put that together. Everything's hooked together. You just want to finish tightening everything up. That'll be it. The next step, guys, will be your O2 sensors. You will get your O2 sensors, you'll screw them in and plug them in right here. This is the right one. This is the left one. I'm not gonna do mine right now because I gotta do my. Actually, my O2 sensors are worn out, and I'm waiting on my new ones to come in the mail. So I'm not gonna plug them in right now. I just want to let you guys know, you know what I'm saying, where the O2 sensors go. And then after that, in the back right here, you hook your cat back up. I don't have my cat back yet either. My cat back is on the way. So yeah, I'm just gonna be running a H-pipe, off-road H-pipe with some Mack long tube headers. And that's about it. Oh, that's about it, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Always remember, I got the Mack long tube headers, the Mack off-road H-pipe, and I got the cat back coming soon. I ain't gonna spoil it, I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is. Just stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Like the video, turn on your notifications, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.